going to say 3 words. Bread and butter. Them jobs. Said it yesterday. Don't know why people turn small jobs away. 3 days being paid twice. Just being paid again. Even before I've left, they've paid me. But that was for an old couple, which I've already said. Absolutely respect to them. I love them to pieces. They more or less live on my road, basically. So total respect to them. Only thing, the potter around the garden. Nobody comes. Well, people come to see him, obviously, but today nobody's coming to see him. So what do? New guys here, loads of that to talk about, and they just badge you all day, it is nice because it's for them, innit? But yeah, I just wanted to crack on. But it is still 20 to 5, and I'm unpacking van, so they haven't really delayed me or anything. So thank you for chatting to me. And he, bless his little corn socks, he loves models. So he does Airfix and stuff like that. And he's just building a 1960s bus, which, good on him. 2 hours a day he spends on it. He gets it all, sets it, glues it together, lets glue go off. While he's waiting for glue, he'll paint it, and then he'll let paint go off and do 2 hours tomorrow. Easy life. Not to worry about. So that is a wrap for today, and we are back again tomorrow, which is Friday, starting a new job. People always say to me, why are you starting this job on a Friday? So it's only a little yard at front of a house in Pudsey. So I think it's 15 square metres of Indian stone. So it's like rip out, stone up, Saturday or Monday, depending which we work. Then it needs laying in one day. So we're just getting a bit of pressure off at the next customer. It's quite a big job, quite a nice job. So yeah, they're pressuring us. And I've got one booked in that has to start on the 21st. So this has a knock-on effect for 2 weeks' time. So, but yes, I'll see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock, sharp.